to see. This world, as complicated as it is not what you think. What you see looks peaceful. Well, look again, and you'll see it through my eyes. What I'm about to reveal is what I learned from your father. This world as you know it is in danger. Every 50 years, the planes of the multiverse merges, opening a doorway for Gondoliza's shadow warriors. Are we out of sleep? You!
In the year 2040, the Elohim Council and all the elements of the universe has combined together to create a new breed of humans.
Now you've heard of mutants, superhumans, even mega-humans. Well, this story is about chosen. A chosen set of people with remarkable powers and abilities.
This is the year 2040, and this is my story.
May the light be your guide.
Why so much light? And for that matter, who are you and where have you taken me?
I are the one. My name is Bounty Price, the 5th surviving watcher of a legion of 200,000.
Great, you're a survivor. But what does that have to do with me? All I need to know right now is where I am.
Ready yourself.
This is crazy!
This is where we are.
How you do this?
Oh, Xayma don't call me yet. Let me ring him phone because I don't hear from him from yesterday.
Calling Xayma now.
What is happening?
No connection was made to your party. Would you like to try again?
He was worrying about that dream he had the other night. I hope he's okay. Calling him back wouldn't make any sense. His phone is not even ringing. Where could you be?
I will leave you to your man problems, Thalia.
Mind your own business, this prime. Every time you see people in a little issue, no one get in a people's life. Where could you be?
While I was unconscious, I remember you saying something about You know him, my father?
Tristan. Yes, I know your father very well. Your father was my friend and commander, the Cyrox of the 16th century, until he was betrayed by Curse.
Curse? Or what that?
A very advanced demon. He possessed your father, driving him next to insanity, forcing us to lock him away forever in the Cocoon Peninsula. He's a friend that I won't forget.
Is either me a get off or you fully mad? Father or no father, me no know him. So what does this have to do with me?
Your father was more than just a watcher. He had the power of the blue sun of Solaris flowing through his veins. He was the protector of this solar system. Now his mantle has been passed down to you, the light of this world. I waited 600 years for this moment.
Him mad.
Eons ago, my legend were placed here to give guard and watch over the earth. This was where we stood as protector over your earth until we were intercepted by Okandaliza and his shadow demons. They wiped out all of the Watchers, all but 5. And now we live among you in secret.
So how am I going to find the man who shot me and prevent others from suffering the same fate?
You are a chosen. If vengeance are what you seek, you first have to accept the fire before you can find the man who do you wrong.
What a fire you talk about? After me not see no fire.
Youth. Sometimes you just have to use your eyes to listen and your ears to see.
Oh no, I don't understand a thing.
To answer all those questions, you need to have eyes in the back
Eyes?
of your head.
Hey, wait! No, that makes perfect sense. I take lessons from a madman. We're living in a world of pain, a world of death, a world where the innocent are constantly targeted. Eyes in the back of my head. I would a mad brother there talk about.
Go on, lock up, hiccup. Let me throw them garbage here and see.
You think it's a garbage dump? People like you just won't understand the importance of this body of water we so recklessly pollute every day. We have some of the most beautiful coral reefs on this earth, and we are destroying that with our appetites for pollution. Without our coral reefs, we can say goodbye to our fishing population. A percentage of our tourists come here annually to gaze upon its beauty. Have you ever stopped to think of what will happen if we continue to treat our waters like this? Well, it will be pure chaos. Our islands will have no defense against massive storm surges. Our fishermen will be desperately out of work because there'll be no fish to catch. Sorry, my youth, but when I see them thing, I just get me cross. Not do them thing. It's what I want to go on here, sir. Me brother, you good? Hey Rasta boy, you beat up me little brother over garbage. No hiccup, go and kick you up. You're brave.
But you're too slow, my youth. But it's only natural. The brave will fall. Huh? What? But the strong will never yield. That not possible. More chance for kick you up. I bet you can't do it again. Your funeral! Yeah. Yeah. Boy, you're fast. But you have to still be faster than that. Like this? Yeah. Boy, Speed work with common sense. You're wrong for throw me in the dark. Yeah. I'm going done you in this.
Youth, sometimes you just have to use your eyes to listen and your ears to see.
Yeah. Bounty price, you're not so fool after all. What you do that for? Let me show you why. Kick this.
Some call me a hot step off. Evil forces now make me shiver now. For don't be afraid. When the most I guide each and every footstep when me make. That's why when me
This jacket is the revolutionary love jacket it once again. And the station which gets like the dancehall DJ Bounty Killer. The radio station which is like none other. Miserable. I tell you man, I tell you. Listen, call up the numbers right now and let me know how you feel about them drones here.
I spy them people who want come spy my way now. They want come take what we think, Rasta. You know, so the things that them think they all are peeping in my window in the bathroom. And whatever time when I go in the bathroom, it's like we feel something that watch me. And me lose at the eye when they're Jamaica. You know, this job, I seriously think that this day here is a possible move from the government where they implement these drones to properly police and investigate more roads and more lockdowns, so to speak. I personally think that is definitely someone at night knowing that these things are giving eye, meat and sky. Hey, I would have been anyway, hey, but I want message me up again. No, I think these drones are a positive move, you see? I feel safer knowing that when I'm coming home from church, my father up above is watching TV. But what worries me is who else is watching.
Still alive.
You tell me say you deal with the boy, I no curse. You met the guardian, prevented you from completing a simple task. You vanishing. My powers are slowly coming back from that prison in the Cocoon Peninsula. Until then, I have one more task for your ghostly hide. Me know that card. Time to die. Yo, oh, what? Okay, what you do? You cheat?
Hey, this is Sweat, and I'm sweating. Yeah, I'm talking for the working class people who step out every day and go to work and getting minimum wages. No, it's not fair. I'm talking to all those bosses. Yeah, every boss, minimum wage, that no make it. No, that can't pay a light bill, water bill, and rent. Some people have to pay rent, pay bus fare, taxi fare, send kids go to school. No, it's not fair for the working class people. Gorilla money. Everybody money need for us. Yeah, we don't need this little monkey change anymore. So my people, tell your boss monkey money, excuse Yeah.
Zealand, Maca Diamond, Waterford. Watch a girl, how she go on so. Watch a girl, how she stay so. You know, fi sell your body parts. Baby, no pride and no having in your thoughts. Cause anywhere you go, every man know your name. Anywhere you go, every man know your name. You see, she have shame. Every man, one day know the way you live flash. Me know your mother now go happy. She never go, so you never grow fi sell your body. Couple months ago, she look pretty like a dolly. Just now, she look older than my granny. No, she not sorry for the nanny. She drop gravity. Policeman pilot her the cabby. She do it for your salary. Me tell her that's a bad habit. She say she not go stop from me, no chat on it. No more. Watch a gal, how she go on so. Watch a gal, how she stay so. You know fi sell her body parts. Baby no pride and no happy in your thoughts.
This area is off limits, Rastaman.
You know, see me a search for somebody. Now get that light out of my face.
Xayma Cross. Holly a boyfriend. Me have to get him.
Him have money. Let him in.
The lady say you can go on.
Xayma Cross.
Watch a gal, how she go on so. Watch a gal, how she stay so. You know fi sell her body parts. Baby no pride and no
Welcome to my humble abode. Now, how can I be of assistance?
I'm looking for someone.
My establishment is open to everyone in the new city that wants to have a good time. Now, surely, big strong men like you are not afraid of having a good time.
Me never come for that. You know somebody named Riggs? I want to ask him some questions.
What are you doing with him when you have me?
There was a shooting incident today that needs to be clarified.
Just ask me anything and I will be more than happy to assist. I will even be the victim if it's you who fired.
The victim was me, and for all I know, Riggs had something to do with it.
What? Riggs on a shutter.
This is a serious matter, Miss Brent. Tell me what you know, or by this time tomorrow this place will be neck high in suits. The only thing you can do after that is close doors to this place.
He is in the VIP room, but it's out of bound for regular people.
VIP room? You keep them boy in a fine style. JPS, lock off your light, them.
Don't be ridiculous. I only use solar.
Excuse me, Rastaman. Let me see your VIP pass now.
What kind of pass are you talking about?
If you don't have a VIP pass, we will have to remove you from this location, Rasta boy.
You come back with enough foolishness again. When me not have no pass, brethren.
Oh, other boy, they wanna like shine up in them face. But let me turn it up right at this time.
Hey Riggs, me I beg you drop go home tonight, you know, because me can't walk on the foot here after we fight the red-head Rasta boy there. See the foot here? Oh, the pain, the pain.
Wanna still want some pass?
No, it's alright.
Come Riggs, come! No, you make the boy catch me!
Mr. Jack, the committee is downstairs waiting for you in the boardroom. And you have an appointment this afternoon with a Mr. Okandeliza.
This will be a long day.
He says he has a proposal that will make King's Banking one of the largest corporations in Jamaica and the world.
You ever hear about long run short catch? The easiest way to catch somebody is just let them come to you. Although sometimes it not always play out like how you want it. Hey! This is a world full of darkness. Constantly clouds over the judgment.
A man that seeks vengeance is sometimes more dangerous than the man that committed the wrong.
So you are one watcher too?
Watchers can't intervene like I can. I am the guardian, here to whip you into shape.
Sorry, but I'm already on a mission.
Your mission starts here and now, Xayma Cross.
How you know my name?
I know more than what you think. Humanity, a follow one path to destruction.
Oh, the brother, ya. Where you for? I'm for change.
May